The case. This is the outer shell that holds everything together and protects the delicate electronics from dust or physical damage. Cases come in various sizes, known as form factors, which determine how much room you have for extra fans or large components. While some are simple black boxes, others feature tempered glass panels and built in lighting to show off the parts inside. It serves as the framework for the entire build, providing the mounting points for every other piece of hardware. The motherboard. This large printed circuit board acts as the nervous system of the computer, allowing every other component to communicate with one another. It features specific slots for the processor, memory, and graphics card, along with ports for your mouse, keyboard, and monitors. Every piece of data moving through the system travels across the electrical pathways of the motherboard. Choosing the right one is essential because it dictates which parts are compatible with your build. The central processing unit, often called the CPU, this small silicon chip is the brain of the machine, responsible for executing every command and calculation. It processes billions of instructions per second to run your operating system, games, and applications. Because it generates a significant amount of heat while working, it is almost always covered by a dedicated metal heatsink and a cooling fan. The speed and number of cores within this chip largely determine how fast the computer feels during daily use. The graphics processing unit, known as the GPU or video card, this component is dedicated entirely to rendering images, animations, and 3D environments on your screen. While some processors have basic graphics built in, a separate card is necessary for high end gaming or video editing because drawing complex frames in real time requires immense power. It is often the largest and most visually striking part inside a modern computer. The storage drive. This is where your files, photos, and games are kept permanently, even when the computer is unplugged. Older computers used hard disk drives with spinning platters, but most modern systems use solid state drives or SSDs which have no moving parts. SSDs are significantly faster and much more durable, allowing the computer to turn on in seconds rather than minutes. This part is essentially the digital filing cabinet of your entire setup. Random access memory. RAM functions as the short term memory of the computer, holding the data that the processor needs to access right away. When you open a web browser or a game, the files are loaded here so the system doesn't have to wait for the slower main storage. It is volatile, meaning everything stored on these thin sticks is wiped clean the moment the power is turned off. Having more of this memory allows you to run multiple programs at the same time without the system slowing down. The power supply unit. This heavy metal box converts the high voltage electricity from your wall outlet into the specific low voltages that computer parts require. It features a bundle of cables that snake out to provide energy to the motherboard graphics card and storage drives. If the power supply doesn't provide enough wattage, the computer might crash or fail to turn on at all. It is a critical component that ensures every other piece of hardware receives a steady and safe flow of electricity. The cooling system. This category includes the various fans and heatsinks placed throughout the case to keep the temperature of the components stable. Some users prefer air cooling, which uses metal fins to soak up heat and fans to blow it away. Others choose liquid cooling, which uses a pump and tubes filled with coolant to move heat to a radiator. Without effective cooling, the computer would overheat and slow itself down to prevent permanent damage to the silicon chips.